Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Good morning.
So I'm doing this a few days in advance to share this blue journal. It's fixing to go into the mail, and then after she receives it, I will upload this video. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I finished it. Again, this is the Chanel book cover that Clint has made, and I love the feel of it. And then what I did is, let me show you. Can you see what that is? That is a nut in there. And I wanted to raise up this button. It's a vintage button. And just to give it some extra room. And then this was a leather piece that I covered with blue fabric and sewed onto the back. So I do have this little tiny attachment to this. I mean, if I really squeeze it down, I can make it fit. There we go, like that. But there is so much ephemera in here that I thought it might be easier, and she might want to have like a little extension. So she can figure that out, and it's easily removed, this little black piece, if she needs to. So let's go inside. And then what I did is I just attached it to another button when I sewed it on to the front, so that my thread and stuff wouldn't like maybe eventually pop through the fabrics. So I just wanted it to be really sturdy for her. And then I'm not going to go through everything that's in here, you know, like in all the pockets and stuff, but we'll go through some of it. This was a lace piece, and it had like a seam around it, like a hem. So I just cut that off. If you are interested in knowing more about this book, I do have a I think I have a playlist, and it's called The Blue Junk Journal. So I'll find that and link it below. But I do have a book plate. Look, kitty cat. And then this really cute, it's just a greeting card that I made into a little tiny booklet. So she can write her secret notes, things like that in there if she wants to. Let me make it look pretty. But I am fixing to send this through the mail today, and I did want kind of like a record of it. So, but isn't that pretty? And then this, if you guys remember, I made this out of an envelope, and I had originally put like a little thumb hold here, but it was just too close. So what I did is I covered that up with an extra piece of paper, and then cut a little slit here into this side. And then I just have a little journaling card that goes right in here with this little fabric ruffle. And that is also in that playlist. This is a fold over flip, and it has a little cat paper clip on it. So she loves watching our cats. And if you have ever ordered anything from me on Etsy, most likely you have gotten a little cat paper clip. That's from our cats. They're saying thank you. And then this is a pocket page that I just put a little tag in. This is my side fold paper clip. So when you take it off and then remove this paper clip, there's a little place for you to write in. But again, all of these are on my channel. Here is a bag that we decorated. Put a little journaling spot in there. Just some paper to write on, just a card. I loved some of these greeting cards and stuff. Here is one of those side fold collages. Somebody had asked me how to put them in the book. And what I did is I just put glue on the bottom, up the side, and on the top. And then it kind of gives you a little tuck spot. So with a little journaling place. And this digital is from Shabby Dabby Doodle. I loved her digitals for this book. Some fabric ruffles. Again, this is the digital fabric flip. And this was a cutout we got from our friend Michelle, and then Clint sprayed it down with some Distress inks, and I cut it and made it into a little pocket. Just some little tucks in there. This is just a side corner tear, and this is a Patricia pocket, Patty pocket. Kind of glued shut there. So, Patty tag is what I call it. So this was inspired by Patricia Viramontes. This is one of those legal envelopes that has one of those windows. My brain's not working, it's still early here. But if you wanted to, there's a little place here. So you could put something in there, and then when you pull it out, I made it so that you can get the full picture. I thought that was kind of cute. And then just some tags, some rose dyed paper, all kinds of fun things. And this does have 2 signatures in it, so there's plenty of journaling space for her. I have this, it's just a fold out. Then on here I have, these are called tiny nesting tag pockets or something. Yeah, nesting tag pockets. So, and it's heavy enough that it keeps it closed, so there's journaling spots here, and then a place for a tag behind it. But there's a place here, 1, 2, 3, here's that little stamp booklet, and then 4, this little tag over here. So I think that's really cute. And then here's a belly band that Clint made. I think that's beautiful. And then just a little spare piece of chenille tag, kind of, that he was messing with. So Marilyn, you can put coffee dyed paper on the back of this, or you can use it for like a tuck spot or a tag or whatever you want to do. Sorry, that's a little crooked, but I think it still looks cute. Fabric ruffle. Here's another tag that Clint did. This is an origami fold out secret writing spot, so you can carefully undo this. And we do have a tutorial of this on our channel. This is one that Clint did, and you just want to carefully open it. There we go. And you could journal underneath it. You could journal here. You could put another piece of kind of plain paper and journal there, or whatever you want to do. Or you could just leave it, you know, as a pocket. Let's see, I have to remember how to do this. There we go. But we do love putting like little secret things in our journals. Come on. Can't get it in there. No, I think it's kind of folded right there. Just got to be careful. I don't want to make a mess. There we go. And then it's a pocket, and then this is a tag that Clint had made. And then this back is just a little pocket place. More journaling paper. Here's a bag that has a little journaling card in there. The back of that pocket page. Some ledger paper. And then this is some of the first page that you saw with a little bit of journaling card. So this is the pocket page with a little tag. And then I thought these were cute. You can cover up that thinking of you if you'd like, but you could also write, you know, something that makes you think of somebody special. Here's that one little envelope page. And see, I did the same thing there. I had like a little thumb hole, but it was just too close to the spine, so I ended up cutting a sliver off here and put a little tuck spot in there. Little tuck again. This is my collage side. This is another one of those nesting pockets. Has some little pieces in there. And then this is a fold out. Another belly band that Clint made. This is some eco-dyed paper that I made. You can kind of still see some of the flowers. Another origami pocket. This was just a piece of paper. I just thought it was cute. You can use it throughout the book to decorate if you want to. Another patty tag. Another fold over pocket with another cat paper clip. Another bag that has a little journaling spot in it. Tons of goodies in here. I know several people wanted this book, and it was spoken for way ahead, so. But I do have another blue book coming eventually whenever I have the time and the energy to finish it. Another one of those envelope window pockets. Some writing. Here's that little, the back part of that other page. And then this was the inside of the greeting card, and it said something about sympathy. So what I did is I just covered that up, made a little pocket, and then just stuck in a little piece of journaling. And then here's a tag I made. Clint did the stenciling, and I made this tag. And then another one of those greeting card journals, little tiny greeting card journals. So thank you so much, Marilyn, for your purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this blue journal. I am going to add, you know, just a few other things for my friend and pop this in the mail, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Take care.